There's only 5 levels.
Shut up! Don't! Shut the fuck up! I can do this. I just want to take it out. Okay, I'll just take my time.
Jody? Yeah. Somebody do that building. Jody?
Alright, now you're serious. I can't touch the glass.
Yeah. You only have 2 more after this.
Don't touch the edges.
Why?
Because this is going to be the hardest maze you've ever done in your life.
Sure.
After this, you're not going to...
I'll leave it alone. Okay, what do I...
Click play.
I did click play.
Click it again.
Where?
Right down there at the bottom.
Oh.
Now see that little blue thing? You have to make it to the red.
Oh, you lost.
You have to go through the blue maze.
You don't touch. Zafira, come here. Zafira.